This is a habit tracker builder tool. Apart from its unique feature, what is special about this app is that I managed to create it in just 3 days. In this video, I will be sharing the strategies you should be using to complete a project like this in such a short time frame. A few weeks ago, I got this idea to start a newsletter named Workout a Week. And in this newsletter, as the name suggests, I was going to send a workout every week to users who subscribe to this newsletter. And in this newsletter, I wanted to add a button with a link to a habit tracker. So when the user clicks on this button, they will be redirected to this habit tracker in which they can put in when they do their workout, so that they can keep track of how many workouts they've done each month. And they can set a goal, like for example 20 times a month, and the habit tracker needs to tell them when they achieved it. I know that there are many habit trackers online, but I couldn't find one exactly like I wanted. I wanted one that can be customized to the brand. Like I wanted to be able to add a title, a subtitle, a description, and I couldn't find one. I know that there are many, like for example even Notion templates and like websites and even apps, but that's not what I wanted. So I decided to build it myself. But I did not want this project to be like other projects where I spend months perfecting the app and it just never gets any users. If you are an app developer, entrepreneur like me, you know the struggle. In the beginning of Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg used the motto, move fast and break things. This was exactly what I wanted to do. I wanted that feeling that I have finished something in just a few days that people can use. It does not matter if the project is not perfect from the beginning, but I just wanted to test the idea and then improve and add more features with feedback. So I started this project last Wednesday, and by Friday it was finished. And now I'm going to give you the 3 tips or hacks that I used to finish this project in such a short time frame. First of all, do a starter project template. Everyone should build this template. We as developers spend so much time building the same login screens, registration screens, authentication, routing, rebuilding the same dashboards, user profile, security, email. If you had a starter project, you can do all this once and reuse it over and over again in different projects. And this will save you roughly at least a week from every project. Second point, use templates for your landing pages. If you design a landing page from scratch, it will come nice and unique, but it will take at least a week to design it in Figma and then another 3 days to convert it to HTML. If you use a template, you will have an idea of the style and you can move faster with graphic design and hopefully complete your landing page in less than a day. The third point is quick branding. In previous projects, I have sometimes spent weeks and even months designing the perfect icon, choosing the perfect colors and fonts. But in this project, I only spent like 1 hour total on the icon, the logo, and choosing the colors and all the branding basically. This way, I will only invest time on the branding if the idea actually catches on. So that's all for this video. In the next couple of months, I will be sharing more updates about this project and how it evolves. And so if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any updates on this project. I will be sharing a link to this project in the description below, so make sure to check it out. And if you have any feedback for me, make sure to put it in the comments below. I will be reading all the comments, and if possible, I will try to implement your feedback. Feel free to like the video and see you next time.